Today our topic is kidney, the structure of human kidney. At first we have to know about the kidney, about its shape, about its color, about its size, weight, and the most important is location. So what is kidney? Kidney is a excretory organ which help in to remove the excretory product from our body. There is one pair of kidney, this one and this one. That means the excretory system includes one pair kidney. After kidney, there is two pipe-like structure. We called it ureter. This is ureter which comes out from the kidney and enter to the urinary bladder. Another excretory organ is ureters. After ureters, there is a sac-like structure which is called urinary bladder. In human, there is one urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. And lastly, there is a duct-like structure. This duct-like structure is called urethra. That means there is one urinary bladder and that means one urethra. But there is one pair is uterus and ureter and one pair kidney. These are those organs are the excretory organs which involve in excretory system in human body. Today our topic is the structure of kidney. Kidney is a bean-shaped structure. This is a bean-shaped. This shape is called bean-shaped. Color, this is reddish brown in color. Size, we know that the size is length 10 to 12 centimeter, width 5 to 7 centimeter and thickness 2 to 3 centimeter. This is according to the NCERT. And the weight is 120 to 170 gram. Okay. Next, the location of the kidney. The location of the kidney, it is situated into the thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity of the human body, and it is situated in between T12 to L3. T12 vertebra to L3, that means lumbar vertebra, and T means thoracic. Thoracic vertebra number 12 to lumbar vertebra 3, in between thoracic vertebra T12 to lumbar vertebra L3. Okay, this is situated in the thoracic cavity. Now we discuss about the detailed structure, internal structure of the kidney. We know that kidney is a bean-shaped structure. And there is a concave side which have the concave side, and this concave side has a notch. This notch region is called the hilum. We call it hilum, through which ureter enter to the kidney. through which ureter enter to the kidney. What is ureter? Ureter is a pipe-like structure where the excretory product comes from kidney to the urinary bladder or urine, where actually kidney forms the urine, and the urine from kidney to urinary bladder transfer through the ureter. And there is another thing, that is blood vessels and nerve also enter through this hilum. This one is renal artery. And this one is renal vein. Through the hilum of the kidney, ureter, renal artery, renal vein and nerves enter to the kidney. Next, inner to the hilum. Inner side to the hilum, there is another structure, broad structure. We call it pelvis, renal pelvis. Inner side of the hilum, there is another structure, the broad structure. We called it renal pelvis. And the renal pelvis is projecting to the calyces. We call it, these are the calyces. The singular term is calyx and plural calyces. These narrow calyx are called the minor calyx, and this region is called the major calyx. This one is minor calyx, this narrow projection, and the broad projection, that region. These regions where the minor calyx are open, this region is called the major calyx. We call it major calyx. After that, the minor calyx, there is some pyramidal region. There is 15 to 20 pyramid present in each kidney. This pyramid is called the medullary pyramids. We call it medullary pyramids. Actually, the kidney has a two region. The outer region is called the cortex, and the inner region where pyramids present is called the medulla. And this medullary region, there is 15 to 20 pyramids are present, which are called the medullary pyramids, where nephrons are present. What is nephrons? Nephrons are the functional unit of kidney. Nephrons are the functional units of kidney which help to produce the urine. Okay, this is a broad pipe-like structure. It is a complex of broad pipe-like structure. We discuss about these things in another lecture. Today our topic is only the kidney. So the outer region is called the cortex and the inner region is called the medulla, which is divided into many pyramids. We called it medullary pyramids, and the cortex region is extended into this region also. This region also. The cortex is extended. These regions are called the renal column. These regions where the cortex is extended, this region is called the renal column. So these are the entire structure of the kidney. So kidney has a concave side. This is a kidney which has a concave side. This concave notch has we call it hilum. Through hilum, ureter, artery, renal artery and renal vein enter to the kidney, and also nerve enter to the kidney. We call it so renal artery and renal vein and the ureter enter to the kidney. After that, inner side of the hilum, there is a broad structure, broad funnel-like structure. We called it renal pelvis. Renal pelvis is projecting out to some narrow structure. We called it calyces. The calyces are the singular plural term. The singular term is calyx. The calyx has a narrow structure. This narrow structure is called minor calyx, and the minor calyx is open to that region. We called it major calyx. After that, we see here there is some pyramid like structure which is called medullary pyramid. Actually, the entire kidney is differentiated into two parts, the outer cortex region and the inner medullary region. The medullary region is differentiated into many pyramids. There is 15 to 20 medullary pyramids present in each kidney. So the medullary pyramids, this one is medullary pyramids, and the cortex region is extended to that part of region. We call it the renal column. Each kidney bears 1 million nephron, and previously we called it the nephron is the functional unit of the kidney which help into the produce of the urea. So the functional unit of the kidney is the nephron, and each nephron bears 1 million. Each kidney bears 1 million nephron. That means 2 kidney bear 2 millions of nephron. So this is the entire structure and all about the kidney.